Have you ever tried frying your egusi before blending? Frying your melon seed or egusi before blending makes the egusi to last long. Frying helps it to dry very well and also very easy to blend. So I started by heating my pan and I've added my melon seed into the pan to start heating. I'm going to allow this to fry on low heat till it's very dry and very crunchy. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm frying it till it's crunchy and it's very dry. This will help your egusi to last long after blending. You can store it in a very tight container and it will last for as long as you want it to last. It also gives your egusi soup a very delicious taste and makes it very, very yummy. So you continue to fry and make sure it's very dry and crunchy. And now my egusi is done frying. I'm done frying. So I'm going to blend this into my blender. That's the blender I'm going to use. So I'm going to blend this into batches till it's very finely blended. You can see how finely blended it is. I'm going to blend again and make it to be very smooth. So I'm done blending and you can see how smooth this is. This is very finely blended and it is very smooth. So I'm going to store this in an airtight container till I'm ready to use it. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Give me beautiful comments in the comment section and see you in my next video. Bye.